Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be talking about the 5 steps you need to remember when performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. First, call 911 and get an automated external defibrillator, AED, ready if you have one available. Then check the person's pulse and breathing. If they are not breathing normally, begin CPR. Now comes the pressing part. Press hard and fast in the center of the chest at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Deliver 2 rescue breaths after every 30 chest compression and continue with this cycle until help arrives. Finally, if an AED is available, attach it to the patient as soon as possible and follow the voice prompts from the AED while continuing CPR during pauses in the prompts. So there you have it, 5 simple steps to help save a life.
We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.